Hello, this is James Acker. I was going to tell you about my circle cutter for my plasma uh, torch. What I did is I took a magnet, one with the hole in the middle, and I got a little bearing. You can see inside there's a little ball bearing. Probably wouldn't have to use a ball bearing, but then I welded a washer over the top to hold it in place. Run a bolt up through a 1/2 inch rod and cross drilled it and center drilled it. Um, 5/16 bolt, and that's what comes up from the bottom, and you can see about how tall it is. It's about 2 inches from the ball bearing, and this rod is stainless steel, but you wouldn't have to. You could use music wire or just regular rod, and then the bolt on top you can slide it one way or the other. I cut out this 8-inch plate. This is my foot pedal, I guess, for my welding positioner. And over here, I used a hole saw. Cut the top and the bottom out of it. It's 1/4 inch, 32 millimeter. And you put it down there, set it where you want. Just start out here and go around. And it worked great. I cut two pieces. I've got a welding positioner that I made, drilled a hole in here, and I can move it with my foot. And it was easy to make, works great. I think I could cut up to about a 12-inch or bigger circle. Magnets are cheap. The whole thing's cheap. It's not super duper accurate, but a lot closer than I could cut it by hand. So, anything else I got coming up? No, maybe get on how my welding position or how I built that. So catch you later. Thank you for watching.